D-Lab, everybody. The following video is the final review of the D-Lab AA1164 designed TNT amplifier. It's ready. The customer's coming to pick it up, so I just want to show you the final product before it's gone. So I've had a couple videos showing the build of this little amp. It's housed in a tan Tweety Verb cabinet, so it has a 12-inch speaker. The chassis is actually the same size as a Vibrochamps, but what the challenge was is to make it all nice and complete and pretty was a front panel. So I got online and I searched and searched and asked around, and nobody would offer custom-made control panels for guitar amps. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and take it on. So I found some 50 thousandths metal, spray painted it a Kona brown, got our tan knobs. But the important part is the artwork. I actually made this on a vinyl cutter. It's a tan vinyl, and what I did when I applied it was made sure that the paint was fairly fresh, so that when it cured, it pulled that vinyl right in to the paint. It's permanent. Now here's the back side of the amp. You can see the nice warehouse speaker poking out there through the opening. I didn't do a whole lot of fancy artwork back here. The owner really didn't care about it. So we just have a decal indicating the pedal inputs and reverb in and out. Speaker's obvious, and so is the power switch. Now let me take you down to my other little shop area and show you the cutter and how I designed the artwork. To create my artwork, I'm using Microsoft Visio, so I can lay this out to scale. You can add graphics here, but I found that you get better resolution on the cut if you add your control names in the Vinyl Cut software provided by US Cutter. So to cut these guitar amp panels artwork with precision, I'm using a US Cutter model P28 Prism printer. You can see I only have my speed set at 100. I'm using a 60-degree blade, and I'm using a carrier sheet so that it keeps that vinyl pulled down. If you don't use a carrier, the vinyl can lift, and that precision lettering that you're trying to achieve won't happen. Had to experiment with that a little bit. But this thing here is a really nice addition to D-Lab's capabilities. Alright, so I had a lot of fun with this project. Getting that amp circuit to fit into the smaller chassis was quite the feat, having to rearrange things to accommodate the cabinet. But the thing that I really enjoyed the most was getting hold of that vinyl cutter and exploring what that thing can do. It's really going to open up some new doors for D-Lab. And yes, I do plan on offering custom panels. You just have to give me all of your information so that we get it right the first time. New things coming to D-Lab Electronics. Thanks for watching.